Hello everybody, it's your boy Darth Revan, and in this video, I'm going to show you some 3D printing goodness I got from Etsy. So, the first things are, that I'm going to show you, the Dark Star Saber from Transformers Prime, and another Transformers Prime action figure accessory, the Star Saber. They're both 3D printed, and this video is going to be called 3D printing goodness, but yeah. So, obviously you have the Dark Star Saber, I think forged from Unicron's blood. You have the Star Saber, I think is a relic of the Primes or something, I don't remember. But they're really cool action figure accessories. I really like them. And they fit any 5mm hand diameter of your action figures, so that's pretty cool. I'm sure you can use them on other action figures if you wanted to. If you have action figures like 5mm hand diameters, or I don't know what the hell that's called, but you get the idea. But I like these accessories. They're phenomenal add-ons to my Optimus and Megatron figure. However, the Megatron figure cannot hold this with both hands, which I think is kind of disappointing, but I'll show you why that is. So you got his arm here. It doesn't rotate this way, sadly. Not without the arm pivoting. See what I mean? You can't move it too good. So, and he doesn't have wrist joints, which is kind of a shame. But it is what it is. And still, they're still cool figures, and even cooler accessories. But yeah, excuse me. I figured I'd point that out. But yeah. All right. Yeah. Sorry, just posing my Megatron figure here. Obviously, Prime is holding this, the Star Saber with one hand. He looks really cool, and I think the sword's as tall as this particular Optimus Prime figure, so that's interesting. And it looks really badass in my opinion. So on to the little fake silencer here. I got mine in purple, and it says Chaos Bringer on the side. Purple is one of my favorite colors, or a color I really like. And now you're gonna have this personalized. I went purple because it's one of my favorite colors and it doesn't look like a firearm, so there you go. There is black available, but I highly strongly you to stick your colors like orange, yellow, just bright and noticeable colors, because you do not want people thinking this is a gun. So there you go. But I'll show you all you really need for this little attachment is this end strike nozzle thing. So you just slide it on any other barrel attachment, and voila, that's all you gotta do. Simple as that. Couldn't be more simple. It was nice about it. I don't want to point this on my camera, but look very closely, and there's some rifling in there. Looks like a real gun, so I would not get this in black or some kind of dark color like that. I don't know if you get it in gray. I wouldn't suggest gray or black or other dark colors. Purple is a little bit dark, but at least it's a relatively bright color. It is bright, but not as bright as like yellow or orange or something, so yeah, or not as noticeable. So there you go. As you can see, I'm practicing trigger discipline. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Revan Skywalker, and that was my 3D printing goodness from the amazing website of Etsy. See you next time. Bye. But before I go, I'm going to explain my absence on YouTube, or why I've been more absent than usual. Because I was not only waiting for my Soundwave figure, but yes, I'm going to review a Soundwave figure shortly, or in the near future. But I wanted to get this video out before that. So there you go. See you around.